What if I told you the world as you know it, your breakfast, your breath, your favorite snacks, hinges on creatures you probably swat without thinking? Prepare to have your mind blown. Picture an ant hauling a crumb. Looks tiny, but multiplied by trillions, those crumb movers are literally turning the planet's soil, recycling nutrients, keeping ecosystems running like a well-oiled machine. Yeah, I know, bugs can be ew, but here's the plot twist. They're the unsung engineers of life on Earth, shaping food, medicine, even the climate. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how. Engineers of the ecosystem. First, pollination. Bees, butterflies. Beetles, flies move pollen that helps plants make fruit and seeds. Roughly 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat depends on pollinators. Coffee, chocolate, apples. Almonds, these aren't guaranteed without them. Next, nature's cleanup crew. Dung beetles, termites. Carrion flies, they break down waste and dead stuff so it doesn't pile up and choke ecosystems. That recycling puts nutrients back into the soil, which feeds plants, which feeds us. Speaking of soil, the hidden heroes under your feet, springtails, mites, ants, are aerating ground like tiny tilling machines. More pores in soil means better water flow, stronger roots, and healthier crops. Unexpected architects of humanity. Medical marvels, maggot therapy cleans wounds by eating dead tissue. Gross but life-saving. Bee venom is being studied for potential therapies. Even flies help solve crimes in forensic science by revealing timelines. Biocontrol warriors, ladybugs versus aphids, wasps versus crop pests. Farmers harness insects so we can use fewer chemical pesticides. And innovation, we steal ideas from insects all the time. Butterfly wings inspire color without dye materials. Ant communication informs swarm robotics and traffic flow. Dragonfly flight helps drone design. Now the plot thickens. Insect populations are dropping fast in many regions. Fewer insects means fewer pollinated crops, slower decomposition, weaker soils, and collapsing food webs. Birds, fish, mammals, us. Climate change, pesticides, habitat, lost light pollution, they're all part of the problem. And here's the kicker. As insects decline, ecosystems store less carbon and recycle less efficiently, which loops back into the climate crisis. So what can you do, starting today? Plant pollinator-friendly natives. Think spring through fall blooms. Skip the perfect lawn. Leave a corner a little wild. Reduce pesticides. If you must use them, target precisely and follow labels. Turn off unnecessary outdoor lights at night. Add water sources like shallow bee baths with pebbles. Support local conservation groups and citizen science projects. Here's the reframe. They crawl, buzz, and sometimes freak us out. But they're also architects, medics, janitors, engineers, and muses. Our future is tied to theirs. Protect the tiny, and you protect everything bigger, including me and you. So the next time you hear a buzz, maybe don't swat. Listen, that sound is the world working.